A new milestone in the pandemic as health officials say the coronavirus vaccines have saved 1 million lives and prevented 10 million people from being hospitalized.
KELOLAND's Tom Hansen talks with Sanford's chief nursing officer about the importance of the vaccines, especially when it comes to preventing hospitalizations.
On December 14, 2020, almost 13 months ago, it was nurse Sandra Lindsay who was the first person to officially be vaccinated against COVID-19 in the United States. According to the Commonwealth Fund, a foundation dedicated to efficient and quality health care, the COVID-19 vaccines have saved 1.1 million lives in the U.S. The study estimates that 21,000 people a day would die from the virus. Right now, we average about 1,000 deaths per day. Erica DeBoer, Sanford's chief nursing officer, says the last few years have been an emotional roller coaster.
And as we continue to look into the third year navigating COVID-19, it's hard for me not to get emotional about, from a nurse's perspective, how important that vaccine is.
More than 18,000 nurses work in Sanford facilities.
Tired, exhaustion, wanting it to be over.
That was nurse Laura Hoyton 10 months ago. Unfortunately, it's not over. And not much has changed when it comes to nurses like Laura who continue to work 12 to 14 hours a day during the Omicron surge. On top of the emotional toll and the long hours, nurses often take the brunt of people's frustration over the politics that has pervaded COVID prevention and treatment.
I think what's important is to be kind and think about what it's been like to be in their shoes over the last 3 years. For some nurses, it's the first years of their career. For others, it's the hardest couple years that they've experienced during their huge tenure.
DeBoer says the best way to help our frontline medical workers is simple. If you haven't been vaccinated, reconsider.
We've got the privilege in the United States that we have easy access to vaccines, so important for us to go in and get that vaccine.
Tom Hansen, KELOLAND News.
The latest figures from the CDC show 62% of the U.S. population has been fully vaccinated.